We're here in Collegetown Center on the second floor across from the elevator. Let's walk down the hall. We're going to see apartment 422. There's a stairway on our right. So I wanted to show you the position of the apartment compared to the elevator here on the floor. This is the apartment door. This is 422. We're in a rectangle style studio apartment on the 4th floor of this 6th floor building. You can see the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the microwave, the stove and oven, and you can see our assorted cabinets and drawers here in the apartment. Across over on the right in this even number style apartment, I think we have some good space on this wall for a shoe rack, a shelf, or maybe even a narrow table in here for some extra storage in the apartment. On our left is the closet. Let's take a look at that as we passed by. So we've got a shelf, hanging space. There's good storage space here in these closets in Collegetown Center. As we go into the apartment, let's take a look over here at the bathroom. The bathrooms will have that standing tub shower with the sliding door. You can see the vanity and sink, the toilet, and over on our right is a small cabinet in the wall. We've also got some racks for your towels. The bathrooms will have a light over the mirror and a bathroom fan. You can see the wall lighting over here within the apartment. These apartments are pretty bright. We're on the north side of the building. We have this nice huge window. You can see our furnishings are all arranged in a row on the wall on this one. You should see some of the different videos just to get some different ideas of how furniture can be arranged within the apartments. So this one has the desk and chair, the dining table, the dresser, the bookshelf all along one wall. And you can see the full-size bed over here. This gives some nice floor space right in the middle of the room, which I think is great. This is a fun setup for the apartment. Let's take a look out the window. So you can see the air conditioner. These windows do have mini blinds. I have the blinds up so we can see out the window. We are on the north side, or the Dryden Road side of the building. So we have the best people watching from here. We can see what's going on in the Collegetown neighborhood. Over to our right, you can see is the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. That's the main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood. From that corner, we are 1 block to campus. Collegetown Center is located at 151 Dryden Road. Here in Central Collegetown, we are in a north rectangle style studio apartment number 422 at Collegetown Center, just 1 block from campus.